Hojik chathariba Parliament session asida Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na kumja Englishing amaga chamapanga marfutara humdoida Congress ki Rajkumar Dorendra Singh na matamaduge Manipur ki Chief Minister oiringai matamda thokiba kuki amadi naga furup ki irang adubu nauhongna na pukhatuna Congress Party bo akan bamongda chaikre Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na hai matamaduge irang aduda Mi chatret yangkai henbagi punsi loikibaga loina khul chahumga yangkai rom amang ata thokiba matamaduda Congress Party kaiduduna laikibage matamaduda karigidamak Manipur da chatuna mifamaduda kari tauribage haiba karigidamak yengsin kidabano haina wahang taukre.
When Rajkumar Dorendra Singh of the Congress was the Chief Minister of Manipur, between Kukis and Nagas happened between April and December 1993, resulting in, do you know the numbers, sir? I shake while I read this. 750 deaths and destruction of around 350 villages happened in Manipur. At that time, the Prime Minister was P.V. Narasimha Rao and the Home Minister was Shankar Rao Chavan. They did not even participate in the parliamentary debate. So where was Gogoi that time? Where was the Congress Party that time? Did they ask them to come and speak? Did they ask them to go to Manipur? No. So the possible worst blockade in Manipur happened in 2011, lasting over 120 days, causing severe shortages of essential commodities. Petrol prices were beyond 200 per litre. LPG costed 2,000 rupees per cylinder, and this was during their time, both in Manipur and in the central government. So with this kind of a neglect, I hope Congress Party doesn't speak about Manipur as to who's witnessing, who's going, who's not.